Welcome to my channel Class Winners Books.
Unit-8 Biomechanics and Sports. Case Study 1 Athletes' Performance and Force. Ravi is a long jumper. His coach explains that the greater the force he applies against the ground during takeoff, the further he can jump. They also discuss Newton's third law. Case Study 2 Projectile in Sports. A basketball coach is training players on how the angle and force of a shot affect its arc and chance of scoring. She explains the concept of projectile motion. Case Study 3 Balance and Stability in Gymnastics. A gymnast loses balance while landing from a vault. The coach explains the importance of base of support and center of gravity in maintaining stability. Case Study 4 Friction in Field Events. During rainy weather, a shot-put thrower struggles with grip. The coach explains how friction affects performance and how wearing proper shoes can help. Case Study 5 Newton's Laws in Sports. In a sports science class, students observe a cricket ball in motion. Their teacher uses it to explain all three Newton's laws of motion through sports actions like bowling and batting. Case Study 6 Lever System in Sports. During a pay session, the teacher demonstrates how the human arm works like a lever when throwing a ball. Students are asked to observe different body movements in sports to identify lever types. Case Study 7 Angular Motion in Sports. Ritu, a diver, spins mid-air while diving. Her coach explains angular motion and how the speed of spin changes with body position. Case Study 8 Application of Laws in Running. During sprint training, athletes are trained to push strongly against the blocks. The coach explains that better force application leads to better speed using Newton's laws. Case Study 9 Role of Friction in Wrestling. In a wrestling match, players wear specially designed shoes and mats to maintain grip. The referee explains how friction helps in balance and movement. Case Study 10 Center of Gravity in High Jump. A student attempts high jump but fails to clear the bar. The coach demonstrates how bending the back lowers the center of gravity and helps in better clearance.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Classwinner Books.